Well, hello, folks. I just want to remind you, I see most students have done the first five quizzes. You're moving right along according to the schedule. This week, you should turn in the CodinGame. Turn in a screenshot showing how many of the challenges you have finished. I already had two students turn them in. One student had 700 points worth of CodinGame, so they'll get an A. That's enough to satisfy all the requirements. You can keep going. If this class is very easy for you, which I think it is, it seems to me like a lot of you already know Python. You might want to focus on CodinGame because it has a lot of interesting advanced challenges, and you can do those if you like. But you can do this any way you like. All that matters is the total number of points you accumulate. You will get an A if you get 630 points. And you can do that all in CodinGame or a mixture of quizzes and CodinGame. But anyway, please turn in a screenshot by Friday of show me so I can see how many CodinGames you've done, because you will have to do at least some of them to get a good grade in this class. And that's it.